Tracking your sales revenue on Shopify using Pathmonk is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to your apps and search for Pathmonk, then click Enter. You'll find the Pathmonk app in your Shopify App Store. Click on it and install. Now Pathmonk is ready to be set up. To complete the configuration, simply add your client key and your Pixel ID which you have created on Pathmonk. Once added, click on Save Settings. Excellent! Pathmonk is now fully functional on your Shopify. Let's proceed with the purchase. Add the item to your cart, then proceed to checkout and fill in your details. Great! You've successfully made a conversion. Let's return to your Shopify. Navigate to the Apps section and check Pathmonk. Here, you will see the conversion that has just been completed. To delve deeper into your conversions and revenue, navigate to the Analytics dashboard. From here, proceed to Conversions and choose the time frame you wish to analyze. Click on Performance Review to evaluate Pathmonk's impact on your traffic split. Observe the segment of individuals who have not been exposed to Pathmonk and their conversion rates, including the revenue generated. In contrast, you'll find the segment of individuals who have been exposed to Pathmonk, the total visitor count, and their conversion rates, including the revenue. You can also gauge Pathmonk's impact in terms of conversion uplift and revenue uplift. All the necessary information is at your fingertips, simplifying revenue tracking on Shopify like never before.